Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty big. Let's select, for example, Georgian, and then tap done. And let's try to write something in Georgian language. Let's change language, and as you can see, now I can type in Georgian language on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.